Wonderful evening to you, good day out there. They listen to CHRICED Radio and TV, and also they watch us for your screens. Welcome to Evening Sharp Sharp Tori for today. My name na Princess Aniana. Here the tourists them with the hot at this time. Ogbonge government don officially put 12 years old as the lowest age to take chop admission enter junior secondary school one, that na JSS1, so that e go match with everything wey they do to make sure say education dey standard, get progress for our basic education system for Naija. This policy dey inside a new document for the Federal Ministry of Education on top non-state schools. And it talks say children must finish 6 years of primary school starting for the age of 6 years old before they go enter JSS1 around that 12 years old. This now after they don't finish 3 years of nursery school from 3 years old, then you can do compulsory pre-primary year at the age of 5 years old. All this day according by the 2013 edition of the National Policy on Top Education. Nearly 2 years after Kano State don't pass the free maternal and child health care law, they never still begin to use this law, and more women and small Pikin them they continue to suffer. And that's now why the Resource Center for Human Rights and Civic Education, CHRICED, come do one very wonderful workshop for Kano on Thursday so that they go gather Tori people, gather civil society groups, may therefore ask say this law must work and action should start. The Oga Patapata Executive Director of CHRICED, Dr. Ibrahim Zikirullahi, when Ajia Nafisa Ado Tanda Gidigba for this workshop to represent her, come begin to talk the very, very terrible numbers then. 576 mothers now they die inside 100,000 births will happen, and 59 small Pikins them now they die out of 1,000 born with them born. And this thing now they show say the situation of body matter on top mama and Pikin for the state, they go worse and worse. And the communities around Shiroro hydroelectric power station inside Niger State don't collect strong sense talk, say make their pack themselves comot from all those areas where plenty water palava of flood they easy happen, sake of say rainy season now don't they reach the highest point. Now the Chief Operating Officer of North-South Power Company Limited for Shiroro hydroelectric power station, Oga Ugochukwu Chioke, now in cut this serious warning when did they do the year-by-year 2025 stakeholder flood sensitization workshop on Friday for inside Mina. He said the permanent solution to this issue of plenty water palava now for people where they live for water area to declare all those places they make water for no gather one place. Moving on, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu don't give carry go say make they do full payment of the allowing and match bonus give the Super Falcons as they're ready for their final game against Morocco inside this 2025 Women's African Cup of Nations WAFCON competition. The chairman of the National Sports Commission, Shehu Diko, now he announced this one when he followed 3 people they gist inside Abuja. He still confirmed say all entitlements, even though and added into the final on July 26th, they don't share around, say make the quick pay to players, coaches, and even all the officials then. And before we go come out from the Tori this evening, make we let you know, say outside of country, Israel don't come out now, say them go allow countries of other places, the way they call foreign country, to use aeroplane from air, drop helmet, medicine, food, enter Gaza in the few days coming. And they already been taking drop of food from air last year. But different group where they do charity work, one at that time say they not be deliver enough help. The Ministry of Body Matter where Hamas they run for Gaza. Don't talk say right now 9 people don't die of serious hunger of malnutrition inside the last 24 hours, making it say the total number of people who don't die from that type of situation so far now 122. Medicine Sans Frontiers, that's now Doctors Without Borders and other help body say their team they use their eye kuro they see dangerous level of this malnutrition. And here now we'll take close mouth on top Sharp Tori for this time. Don't forget to join us again on Monday around 12 o'clock for another beautiful one. Until then, continue to follow us, enjoy us for our social media handles at CHRICED Radio TV. My name na Princess Aniana. Enjoy the rest of your weekend.